Guys, how's it going? My name is Johann. I've been in the game for a long time as a nutritionist, etc. Welcome to my kitchen. This is the corner where I make all of my favorite foods and my shakes. All this stuff you see around me, I mix it all together and make healthy shakes. And today I'm going to show you guys the two best tips I have for making quality shakes. The first trick, you got to use quality ingredients. For example, I can take some of these tomatoes or maybe some of the kale here to start my shake, but I think a better base is this stuff right here. So what we have here is organic spirulina powder. It's powder. That's, well, that makes okay powder. I mean, I could just use my blender instead of, this is good though, spirulina is good. Where's my chlorella? I thought I had chlorella. No, I don't have any. That's banana. I don't have chlorella. This is seaweed. This isn't, you know what? Isn't working. This bro science about nutrition and what you should put in and finding vegetables that only grow on the top of some mountain next to an observatory and you gotta talk to a drug dealer about, forget all that. Guys, everything you need is at your grocery store. If it's non-processed, if it's locally grown, go for it. Guys, sign up for the webinar so we can talk about it more. I know I got lemons and kale. You know what? I'm just gonna make a smoothie right now. Berries.